Hey there! You're starting to really empathize with users and are developing a stronger understanding of who your user is. Now, let's talk about how we turn a user story into a user journey map. As a reminder, a user journey is the series of experiences a user has as they interact with your product while they want to achieve a specific goal. User journeys build off the personas and stories you've already created. They help you think and feel like the user, which is super important. If you can't put yourself in the user's shoes, you can't be sure your design will really help them. Think of it this way. Personas are the foundation of your design process to empathize with users. User stories focus on the pain points that your personas are experiencing. And the user journey provides additional details to build out specific user stories. Before you start the user journey, you need a journey map. A journey map is just what it sounds like, an illustration of what the user goes through to achieve their goals. Several benefits can come from building user journey maps. First, user journey maps can help create obstacle-free paths for users that solve their pain points as clearly as possible. Additionally, user journey maps can reduce the impact of designer bias, which you might remember as a tendency for the designer to design according to their own needs and wants, instead of the user's. Creating a journey map lets you thoroughly detail the user's interaction with your design. That way, you can really focus on how a specific persona, and not you, thinks and feels at every step. User journey maps can also highlight new pain points that your user might experience along their journey as they use your product. And finally, user journey maps can help you identify improvement opportunities that could streamline the user experience and ease your access to the product. So how do we map out a user journey? One action at a time. We use these 4 steps. Step 1. Note each action that a user needs to take to reach their goal. Imagine our persona Shane wants to check out a physical book using our library website. Shane needs to browse the catalogue of books, choose a book they're interested in reading, try to reserve the book, join a waitlist if the book is not immediately available, and then pick up the book from the library. Step 2. Add descriptions for each action. Which tasks does our user have to complete? Well, for the browse the catalogue of books action, Shane might have to complete tasks like browse new releases, sort books by genre, and search for authors. You would add tasks like this for each action. I've gone ahead and completed this for our library website example. You can review this user journey map in more detail in the reading following this video if you're interested. Step 3. Add how the user feels at each point. Guesstimates are okay in this step. For example, our persona Shane feels eager and inquisitive as they browse the catalogue of books. Then, Shane feels excited and optimistic that they can choose the book they're interested in reading. Similar to the last step, I've added feelings for each of these actions. And finally, step 4. Add improvement opportunities. This is where we'd identify new ideas to improve each action in the user journey. For example, Shane's experience browsing the catalogue of books could be improved with the ability to select multiple filters at once. You can come up with lots of ideas for potential improvements to your design during this step, like I've done here. Awesome! Now we have a user journey map that we can use to design a practical and useful website that meets the needs of Shane and our other users. Next, it's time to take what you've learned here and build your own user journey map. Remember, your research is your guide, and don't forget to double check your assumptions. Good luck.